Log in with your Connect Fax ID. This is what your Connect Allocate dashboard will look like. This stage is co-related to the previous stages, Connect SSE, Core and Recap. It facilitates managers to prioritize tasks and efficiently manage the team under one single dashboard. As you see, the user can assign and delegate tasks as per the team, track the progress and mark it as done once it is attended. As we move to the other part of the dashboard, the user can check the status of the work orders or issues and monitor the overall manpower productivity of the shop floor. Get work done effectively with manpower and resource optimization with Connect Allocate. Start your free trial today.